See there. See whatever it is. This is not something which is unknown. The HMPV virus is it's a flu virus which is there, and certain percentage of people catch respiratory problems and cold due to this virus. It's was first found out in 2001 in Netherlands. So this is not something that is new, and as far as we know, even the people who the child also who in Baptist Hospital who had the HMPV symptoms were also very normal. Tomorrow, I think most probably will be discharged. They'll be discharged. So. Let us see. I mean, we should not press the panic button or create any confusion. And I'm having a meeting now with our officers because I've told them to also have a further discussion with ICMR and Government of India and see anything new is there. And as far as this goes, these are regular kind of symptoms and no fatalities and no serious health. So far, I would say this is not a serious public health issue as of now, and we should not be over dramatizing it or making it unnecessarily creating a lot of confusion. This is an existing virus. This is not like has been reported that it is the first case. It's not like it's the first case. It's been there from before, and whether it's connected to China or not, that we don't know.
They don't have
And
a history of
these people have got no history of travel. This child, I think, had gone to Tirupati and come back. So there's no history of travel abroad or coming in from some airport or anything like that.
Sir, is there any guideline given from
So there is no guideline, basic prevention that issues we've issued, advisory as we've already issued, guidelines have been, that basic guidelines we've issued. So anyway, let me have a discussion
Sir,
further.
apparently the panic has been started. After the panicking started,
I don't think we should panic.
Emergency meeting
No
has been-
emergency, just I told them to just discuss with the ICMR or anything and what is it, and so far even Government of India also has said not to create any way, get into some sort of scare or anything. Nothing like that is there.
Would you go for genome sequencing, sir?
See, all those things will have to be done by them. If anything they need to, because it depends. These are all there existing in the viruses in our country. But what is the strain that is there in China, and is that new strain, how is it playing out there? So that is something which they'll have to do. So I would say that people should stay calm.
Did you get the report of that kid, sir? 8-month-old kid?
Yeah, kid is fine, doing well. Tomorrow the kid will be discharged and there's no problem.
Sir, the release says that both the cases are being monitored by the...
Monitored means they will,
updating them about
they will just keep a track, I think, because it has been, they have sent that flu, the virus for testing, and in the panel thing, various tests are done and this has come as positive. But it is not some new virus, and it is not that it is not for the first time, and so it is there. So let us not
The father,
create any scare right now.
the father of the kid was saying, sir, I was supposed to leave the hospital and everything was clean. My kid
Yeah.
was very well.
Yeah.
And hospital forced me to do the test and we did it.
Yeah,
That
that's all.
thing
That's
is
all.
gone.
So now the thing is, I would not say this is really a public health issue right now of serious concern. We will look at it on a daily basis and see if any such cause of concern is there. We will inform. But right now, it is a regular issue, and let us not overblow it, blow it out of proportion.
What will be the agenda in the meeting today?
Generally, what Government of India, ICMR, and what else we have to do, and any other precautions whether we have to take, and try and get in more information. But as of now, I think there is hopefully there is nothing more. But if anything is there, definitely I will inform.